Adages and proverbs, those sayings that everyone who's older than you loves to say to you so that you can learn how to better navigate the world. So here's what you need to do as a fifth grader. We need to use the context to determine the meaning of an adage or proverb and explain the meaning of the adage or proverb. Adage, proverb. These are the two things we're looking at. Does it 100% matter that you can know the difference between an adage or a proverb? Not 100%. We're going to talk about it. That's not the important thing. The important thing is being able to see it in reading. Thanks, Bells. Know that it's not a literal statement, but a figurative one, and that you're supposed to understand it in a different way than it is literally written. So, adages are sayings that are generally true, but don't necessarily teach a lesson. A proverb is a short, pithy saying in general use, starting with a truth or a piece of advice. So both of these can tend more towards that advice end. So examples, if we want to get a good seat for the concert, we should leave now. You know the saying, the early bird catches the worm. Does that really mean that you're turning into a bird or that you want a worm? No, but what it means, you need to get there early so that then you have a better chance of having what you want. So that's what we're going to fill in over here. Being first gives you a better chance of getting what you want. And that's what the early bird catches the worm means. We also have there's no such thing as a free lunch. I see that it says that we don't have to pay for the food, but what do they want? Are they going to try to sell us a vacation home or a speedboat? Aren't they? And what that means, there's no such thing as a free lunch, is that everything has a cost even if you don't see it. So perhaps it's not food. This could be anything. Maybe someone is giving you the answers to a test, but that's still going to come with a cost, namely that you would then not be making a good decision. But that everything, if it looks too good to be true, you probably shouldn't trust it. Proverb. You cannot just say, Mom, you do too much. You need to help fix it. Wash the dishes. Mop the floor. Actions speak louder than words. So what does actions speak louder than words mean? What we do means more than what we say. So if you're saying to someone, oh, you do too much, well, that's nice for you to say it. But for it to really mean something, you need to act on that and help them out rather than just making a statement. You waited until they were already done serving the food to get your plate. Now there's only chicken left. Beggars can't be choosers. So beggars can't be choosers. What does that mean? There's not always choices if you aren't on the ball. And even being on the ball, there's another saying. If you are the last to get somewhere, or you wait too long, or you weren't thinking about something until the last minute, it doesn't mean that you're actually begging, but it means that you might not have a lot of choices because of previous choices that you made. And then going back to the idioms, they're all of this figurative language hangs out together, and we are done.